Welcome to the video that will demonstrate how to fill out Part 3 for the Being Savvy Online unit. You should have completed the videos and did the reflections for Part 2. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Once you watch those videos, you'll come in and you'll add a reflection for Part 2. Once you're done, you move on to Part 3. There's a link, but the teacher will probably show you a video, and then you're going to come in and fill out this table specifying if the video is true or false. It might be a commercial, so you would specify that it's a commercial, and then you'll fill out the table. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that with the video 1. So it will be shown in class, or you will watch it by yourself if YouTube is not blocked. So while watching the video, you're going to pick up keywords to do a Google search to determine the status of the video. So let's go ahead and watch the video. After watching the video, go ahead and open up another tab and type in keywords. Now, I literally could just type in Mega Whoosh and find some resources. So while scrolling down, I want to bypass the YouTube videos and start looking for sites. One of the most common mistakes that people make when looking up information online is they go to the first site. Well, in this case, Snopes.com is a perfect site to go to. If you don't recognize some of these sources, you want to avoid going to those sites unless you know for sure it's a good source. Because I know Snopes is credible, I'm going to go to that site and I'm going to make sure it's the same video, and I'm going to come in and actually read to determine what's going on. Well, it does say that it's false, but I want to figure out why did they make this video. Here is what I've come across. It's an actual advertisement for Microsoft in Germany. You would then go back to the document. I'm going to type in Mega Whoosh because that's all I used as my keyword. If it didn't work, I'd need to type in more keywords or revise my keyword search. And then the details would be, it is an ad for Microsoft in Germany. So I'll go ahead and put status as commercial. And then I'll go ahead and go back to the source. I will select the website address. I will right click and choose copy. And then I'll come back and I'll select web link. I will go to the hyperlink option in Google Docs, and I will right click in this area, choose paste, and then apply. Now video 1 has been completed for this project. The other videos might require more keywords. If the keyword does not work for you, you might need to revise your keyword search when you're completing this unit. I did want to point out there is a resource page on the Google slide that talks about sources that you can use. Snopes, Urban Legends, Fact-Check, Hoaxes, Media Bias. These are sources that might start popping up to tell you more information about what you're researching. Generally, many of the news sources are also credible, so keep that in mind when you start locating information online. This concludes the session on how to complete Part 3 of the Being Savvy Online unit. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.